Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the drive and files. Make sure the USB is 16 GB or larger, and you've backed up anything important. Download the OS ISO and verify its checksum so you avoid corrupted installs. Then install or obtain a flashing tool, Rufus for Windows, Baelna Etcher for cross-platform, or DD on Linux, because tool choice affects partitioning and boot mode. Once done, confirm whether you need UEFI or legacy boot, and note it for tool configuration in the next step. You now create the bootable drive. Open your chosen tool and select the ISO, then pick the USB as the target. Choose partition scheme, GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy, and set the file system, FAT32 for UEFI compatibility, NTFS if single files exceed 4 GB. Start the write and monitor progress. The tool will format, write, and verify. Make sure you do not interrupt the process. Once the tool reports success, safely eject the drive or proceed to reboot for testing. You finish by rebooting and selecting the USB from the BIOS or UEFI boot menu. If needed, change boot order temporarily. Boot into the live environment or installer and follow on-screen partition and installation prompts, making careful choices about target disks. After installation, remove the USB and test disk boot. If you want a persistent live USB, create persistence before installing. If something goes wrong, check secure boot settings, try a different USB port or tool, and verify the ISO checksum to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.